How to stabilize shaky video in Capcut. Stabilizing shaky video in Capcut can be done across mobile desktop and online version using the built-in AI tool. What you want to do is here, open your Capcut app and log into your account. After which, you need to go ahead and open up your template section and press on to new video. Now here you want to import the particular video that you have or that you want to remove it. Now what next you want to do is just tap the video clip in a timeline to reveal the bottom bar like this. Once you've done that, you want to scroll through the toolbar and select stabilize. So just want to do this stabilize section. Here it is. You press that out, and what here you need to do is just use a slider to select your preferred stabilize level, and you want to subtle fix that preserve most of your frame, and you could also go with the recommended the standard balance options, and you could also go ahead and maximize soothing through it, though it may crop edge more significantly as well. Then you want to tap the check mark to apply the effects, and that's how you're going to stabilize shaky video in Capcut. And with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.